Hey XRP Army, what's up crypto fam? If you're glued to your screens watching XRP flirt with disaster at $1.94, yeah, that's down a brutal 8.6% in the last 24 hours. Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into this savage chart that's got the whole market buzzing. This isn't just lines on a graph. This is XRP's epic battle for survival in a crypto war zone. And trust me, the comeback story, it's gonna be legendary. We're talking real talk. No fluff. Let's break it down like we're plotting your next portfolio glow-up. Hit that like button if you're holding through the storm. And subscribe for more charts that actually make sense. Let's roll. All right, feast your eyes on this beast. XRP USD over the last day. Courtesy of that slick TradingView setup. Picture this. We've got candles that started the session flexing around $2.10, teasing us with dreams of glory. But bam, sellers crashed the party like uninvited guests at a bull bash. That thick red candle, it's screaming capitulation. Folks, whales dumping, retail panicking, and volume exploding to 17.8 million on the low end. Spiking like fireworks on the 4-hour view. We're talking 434 million XRP, flipped in 24 hours. Worth over $866 million USD. That's real money sloshing around, not some meme coin hype. Zoom in on the price action. XRP's been grinding down from highs near $2.28 earlier this week, slicing through those EMAs like a hot knife through butter. The 7-period EMA at 1.92, breached. The 25 at 1.98, smoked. Even the 50 at 2.03 is waving goodbye from above. And don't get me started on the 100 and 200-day lines, chilling at 2.09 and 2.17. They're like distant memories of summer now. This downtrend, it's got that classic crypto flavor, sharp drops on high volume, followed by those wimpy green doji candles begging for mercy. But here's the engaging twist. Every major dip in XRP's history has been a launch pad. Remember 2023, tumbled to pennies, then rocketed 600% on Ripple wins. History rhymes, my friends. Now let's crank up the drama with the indicators. These bad boys don't lie. They snitch. Check the RSI at 51.99, neutral territory. Not oversold like a screaming buy signal at 30, but it's that sweet spot where smart money starts nibbling. It's been coiling like a spring, dipping to 40s mid-session before that sneaky bounce, hinting buyers are lurking in the shadows, ready to pounce if we hold $1.82 support. Over on MACD. DIF at -0.044, DEA at -0.042. Histogram flashing red but flattening out, that bearish crossover from yesterday. It's losing steam, folks. No massive divergence screaming fake out. But if that line flips positive, kaboom, momentum shift incoming. Volume's the real storyteller here. Those orange bars spiking on the downs. Panic sells, but peep the subtle uptick on greens, accumulation whispers from institutions. And Bollinger Bands, squeezed tight around 1.94, with the lower band at 1.82, acting like a trampoline. SARS flipped bearish below price. Sure, but in this volatility, it's just noise, overall vibe. This chart's not dead, it's reloading. XRP's testing that $1.82, 1.90 demand zone like a boxer against the ropes. Bruised but breathing, one solid close above $2, game on. But wait, why should you care? America, we're in the land of opportunity, where SEC drama's finally fading post to 1025 settlement, and XRP ETFs from Canary and Franklin Templeton are dropping like hotcakes this month. Whales scooped 900 million tokens in August alone. That's $1.9 billion betting on the rebound. Ripple stacking wins, acquisitions, OTC desks, and that $40 billion valuation. This dips your Black Friday sale on a payment rail that's wiring the world faster than Visa on steroids. Realistic talk, crypto's volatile AF, influenced by Fed whispers and BTC's mood swings. But XRP's utility, unmatched for cross-border cash. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, my no BS price prediction. Backed by the sharpest analysts out there. Short term, we're eyeing a gritty rebound to $2.28 by November 30th. That's a clean 17% pop if RSI holds, and ETF inflows hit $1.2 billion as projected. Why, that $2 psychological floor's got historical bounce written all over it. And with 4 new ETFs launching this week, fresh capital could flip this script overnight. Zoom out to December. Conservative models say $2.22. But if bulls defend $2.10 and MACD crosses up. We're smashing $2.70, $2.90 by month end, fueled by that DEX transaction surge showing real network heat. Early 2026, $3.25 feels locked if ETF hype mirrors Solana's inflows, with upside to $5 by Q2 on symmetric triangle breakouts. Longshot Moon. Analysts like Coinpedia are calling $5.05 EOY 2025 on adoption waves, and wild cards whisper $10 by 2026 if Ripple's global partnerships seal the deal. But hey, downside risk. If $1.82 cracks, we could probe $1.91. Extreme fear at Greed Index 11 says stay nimble. Bottom line, this chart's a dip buyer's dream disguised as a nightmare. Average forecasts, $2.38 November close, scaling to $3.51 yearly high. Not financial advice, DYOR trade smart. And remember, in crypto, patience pays dividends. There it is, XRP squad, the chart decoded. The predictions dropped and your edge sharpened. What do you think? Rebound to $3 or more pain first? Drop your takes in the comments. Smash like if this fired you up. And ring that bell for daily crypto chaos. From the USA to the moon, we're in this together. Peace out, catch you in the next one.